hardest part about cooking a steak is waiting for it to rest. Let's cut into it and see how it is. Ooh, that's a perfect medium. I don't know what it is, but cutting steak with a really big knife is just way more fun. Let's go for the first bite together. Looks incredible. Mmm. 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 Exceptional. So exceptional. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Mmm. Someone once said to me that serial killers cut up their steak before they eat it. Oh, I think that's so funny. But I like to cut it up and then sprinkle my gorgonzola on it. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so heavenly. You know, why not be heavy with it? Like, look at this pile of gorgonzola. It basically looks like my steak got blasted by a blizzard. And you know what? I'm totally cool with that. So I'll get a little chunky of the cheesy, get a little chunky of the steaky. Mmm. Mmm. It's perfection. Mmm. Mmm. I love using just salt on my steak because then you can really taste the flavors of the meat, of the butter, of the cheese, of everything. You can taste all the flavors so well. And seasoning kind of, you taste mostly the seasoning, you know? So I love it just naturally beefy with my cheese and my butter and my salt. So delicious. Mmm. Mmm. You know, it's good when your mouth waters in between bites. Like, it's incredible. So good. I like to dip it slowly so that I can get as much of the juice as I can off my plate. Yummy. Mmm. Holy Batman, that's good. Mmm. This bite's gonna be so good. There's so much cheese. I have like so much excess cheese. I'm gonna have some left over on my plate. I have another whole big chunk of steak left though. I'm getting pretty full, but this steak is so good. It's just so good. Let's get some more cheesy. Cheesy pleasy. Gorgonzola. If you guys don't know, gorgonzola is like blue cheese, but also has goat's milk in it or sheep's milk. Which one is it? Sheep. It's so creamy. That pungent flavor. Yum. Last bite. Look at the chunks of blue cheese or gorgonzola. So good. And I cut up this for my cats. And a Rice Krispie treat for balance.